Hey guys, welcome back for a long-awaited DIY bathroom makeover on a budget. I'm talking an extreme transformation on an extreme budget. We're doing one thing to completely update this space. And I hope that it motivates you and inspires you that improving your home or making your spaces reflect what you want and what you feel comfortable with doesn't always have to take a lot of money and a huge renovation. It can be as simple as a coat of paint. So we're going to be working in this smallish sized full bathroom with a tub and shower surround today, updating it by resurfacing the tub and shower surround. Here is the tub and shower surround, and I've got my brightness turned up like I said. So looking at it, you can see that it's a little bit stained, but it doesn't look the worst. But as soon as I start turning that brightness down, now you can really see how yellowed and stained it has become over time, and it's just dated. To resurface the tub and shower, I am going to be using this Dwill tub and tile paint kit. I have been doing so much research on how to do this because I've never done it before, and I came across Dwill as a low VOC, which means almost no smell to it, quick dry and cure tub and tile refinisher, and that is right up my alley. So this only takes 7 days to completely harden and cure and go back to normal use. It will resurface the tub in 2 to 4 coats of paint. It's a one-step process, comes with absolutely everything you need, so it's the most budget friendly that I found. You don't have to buy any paintbrushes, rollers, tape. Everything you need is included in the price of this paint kit. And then it is also low VOC, so we won't be dealing with any of those nasty toxic smells that make you feel like you need to move out of your house to escape them. We'll be able to still walk around, live in this space, and feel comfortable while this is curing. So a huge thank you to Dwill for partnering with me and sponsoring today's video and allowing me to do a quick bathroom makeover. So aside from cleaning it and drying it really well, if you have a really slick surface or a tiled surface, I think I'd probably recommend roughing it up some. So maybe using a more abrasive cleaner and sanding it a little bit, either with a sanding block or an orbital sander. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and just use this, what is this? Like tape protector to tape around the shower head, just to make sure that I not only don't get any paint on it, but that no water or anything drips from it. This is connected, and if you've been around my channel for a while, you know that my name is Megan and I don't believe in prepping for paint, but this can feel intimidating, and I just want to make sure no moisture gets on this when it's not supposed to. So I'm gonna go ahead and prep. So what really sold it for me with this Dwill tub and tile kit is that this is an all-in-one paint kit, which means it's super budget friendly. They're also quick drying, so you're not inconvenienced by your project, and low odor, which was a must. But this is also super versatile. It'll work on bathtubs, sinks, countertops, floors, walls, tiles, both indoor and outdoor, and comes in a variety of colors and finishes. I have this semi-gloss in the color vanilla white, but you could also choose regular white, black, dark gray, light gray, Creole pink, light cayenne, misty blue, or avocado green, which sounds so yummy for a kitchen backsplash or a bathroom tile in a mid-century modern home. But if you want to check out the Dwill tub and tile paint kit for yourself, I'll leave the link down below along with an exclusive discount code. And thanks again to Dwill for partnering with me on today's video. I cannot believe this. There is not just like low odor, there's absolutely no odor at all. I think I have to like put my nose in it to smell it. Like even going like this, barely any scent at all. That is so crazy. I feel like wall primer or wall paint has a stronger smell than this does. Wood stain has a stronger smell than this does. Other tub and tile kits, unbelievable compared to this. This is like blowing my mind. I cannot believe it. But anyway, even though I don't smell anything, the instructions do say to ventilate the area if you can. So I am gonna turn on the fan in here, the overhead fan, since there's no windows, just because it says that I should do it, which means you're not gonna have to deal with me talking for a little bit. We're just gonna have a very satisfying montage of me painting this tub surround. I can already hear you guys telling me that I spattered paint on the floor, and I know I did. I did it on purpose because I just wanted to show you that because this is a water-based paint, if you do have a little accident like that, you can just wipe it up with some wet paper towels or a wet rag as long as you get to it while it's still wet. It will not harm anything. You can see I got all that paint up right here, nothing left behind on the floor, and that's just another benefit of using water-based products. I kind of can't believe this, but this is how the tub is looking after just one coat, and I'm working in very thin coats to get the most even, smooth coverage. You can see up here where it's mostly dry now, it looks much more opaque. It's kind of splotchy down here, and that's just what paint naturally looks like while it's drying, so don't be concerned. But we have covered up so much staining, and then with that one coat, I've used almost half of the tub here. You can see, I would say, yeah, almost half of the paint so far. So the second half will give me another coat, and I kind of want to challenge myself to see if I can get this completely opaque looking brand new with just the one kit. I do have two though, in case I need more than 2 coats. But you have to wait 2 hours in between coats, so I'm gonna go ahead and seal this up so it doesn't dry out. Wait 2 hours and come back. Okay, so it's been 2 hours now, and I feel like this is looking really good. I am so impressed with this. Like, this is better than I imagined. So anyway, we are ready for the second coat, and I am just keeping my fingers crossed that I'll actually be able to do this in just 2 coats or with just 1 kit, which is absolutely wild because you guys saw how stained this was. I'm not sure how much of it is going to look different on camera, so if it looks really boring or the footage isn't that good, then I'll probably cut it out to only the satisfying parts, because I feel like the first coat is always, you know, the best one to watch. Okay, so it is the next day. There has been a full almost 24 hours for the shower and the tub to dry, and it is looking so good. Like, even better than I thought that it was going to. It dried fully opaque. There's no patchiness, no scratching, nothing. It looks absolutely beautiful, like basically brand new. I am so pleased with how it turned out. I ended up using about 3/4 of the tub or can of paint, so I do have a little bit left over if I did need to do some touch-ups or even a whole nother coat I think I could get out of it. So that one small thing went such a long way. I mean, you saw how badly stained and just how in poor condition it was before, and I'm about to share with you what it looks like right now, but first I thought I need to clean up my mess that I made in here. So I'm going to wipe down all the counters, clean the mirrors, rehang the shower curtain, take down the tape and the plastic and the protective coating, and then I'll share what it's looking like right now.
I never got it, why'd you have to go? I guess this world's too slow for you. I think there's beauty in the gray, the cold, but you just want the gold. And there's no way I can beat it, cause I got no chance, no chance when it comes to her. She got the glitter and the fame, and I just wasn't enough for you.
Okay, tell me this doesn't look like a brand new bathroom, and we only did one thing to update it. I am so impressed with this Dwell tub and tile paint kit. This looks brand new. Like, it looks like we just went and picked it up out of the hardware store and dropped it into this bathroom. It is so nice. The finish on it is so smooth, so opaque, and it's ready for years more use instead of having to rip this out and do a whole renovation. This is an upgrade that you can do no matter your budget, no matter your skill set. It was so easy and made such a big difference in this space. I love it, and I hope that you all enjoyed and got some motivation and inspiration from this as well. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you aren't already. I'd love to have you join my little YouTube family. I've got tons more DIYs coming, especially as we go into the new year. We're going to be back at my house doing all kinds of upgrades and updates that I've been putting off because of the holiday season, but I'm itching now to get back into it. So I don't want you to miss any of that, but thank you so much for choosing to spend your time here with me today, and I'll see you in the next one.